This is Marianne Farley, and today we are going to be doing some doodle characters. Now, I know that there are a number of YouTube videos that work on this kind of thing, but I was trying to think of, well, what could I share with you guys that would make this exercise a little different? Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to make sort of color blobs and then see what characters that our mind's eye sees in these blobs. And in this way, I think these characters then will be uniquely yours. You are absolutely, welcome to copy any of my characters, but these were experiments that I did. I think I just, at the time I just put down just random marks with my watercolor crayons and then smushed them around with water, and I ended up seeing this cute weirdo down here, this guy relaxing, I love this little monster critter. There's some more over here up in the corner. This girl I did deliberately, but and then there's some more. I love this little dog. This is a strange dog behind something else, a little kangaroo, some kind of weird dragon, some space age thing, and then the idea is to, once you create, oh, you want to see this girl? She's kind of cute. She's kind of weird. Once we create these characters, then we can do them deliberately on another sheet. Okay, so to get started, there's any number of ways that you could start creating them. This is just a mixed media piece of paper. Let's see what goes good with purple, green. So this, obviously, I'm using watercolor crayons. I'm going to do a little darker. Oh, I already see something there. Let's see. Okay. I'm not putting any thought into my colors at all. And then, in addition, I'm going to use I have some of these Pelican watercolors. They're the opaque watercolors, which I guess you would say is gouache. And then just kind of get these to blend here. And again, try not to use any thought whatsoever. No thought. Oh, I love how watercolors blend, don't you? Oh, look. Okay, let's use the drips. That might help us see something. Okay, I'll do one more. Oh, I'm getting a dirty brush here. I'm going too fast. Do something similar with this scene, what happens there. And then, of course, I will blend my watercolor pencils. Again, watercolor crayons. Again, trying to leave some of the lines behind on purpose so that I can kind of see something happening. Oops, that red got in there, but it's okay. Now, you know, there's always a good chance that you are not going to see a thing. Again, it's playing with your subconscious mind. Okay, so I'm not even going to look at these for now. I'm just going to turn this off, walk away and let it dry, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so I'm back. Whoops. Okay, so I'm back, and I'm seeing certain things very clearly right off the bat. And I think when I transfer these characters into my journal, I think we're going to have a fish party of some sort. Because right away, I'm seeing this shape, and I'll do it in a stabilo. I'm seeing an octopus of some kind, and octopus always come in. And look, I see two giant eyes right here. I don't know, we can decide what kind of look we want to give him later, but I see the tentacles here, right, of some kind. And he's going to have some coming down as well, but we can work out the details of that later. But that's who I ended up seeing. And I don't know, maybe I'll put a hat on or something. The second one I see is, this looks like a crab to me. So I'm just going to take, it's not super defined, but once I saw the octopus, you know, the crab would have some arms like that, and I don't know, maybe he's standing on some legs here. I would put another one on the other side, or maybe I'll make, you know, now that I know that I've got a crab, where do I, maybe I'll do one with the eyeballs coming up. I've seen crabs like that. You know, something cute like that. Over here, I'm not seeing anything nautical, but I do see a face. And look, I see ears right here. I see ears right here. And this looks like some kind of tail. I don't know, what would this thing be here? Oh, is that his arms? He's looking this way, but his arms are going that way. Like he's reaching for something this way. Maybe he's holding a buddy or something. I don't know. Oh, this one I thought was funny because I'm seeing a nose here. And if we just bring his face up here. And then I see like a French beret. How funny is this? And here's his hair. I know, it's wacky. I have no idea. Maybe that's his stick body. I don't know. I don't think he's working too good. This one, I don't know. I was seeing sort of like a lotus flower of some kind. And maybe this would be a bird sitting in the flower. I don't know. A little crown. I don't know. They're all not going to work. But I do like this guy, this guy. Oh, and up here, I was seeing something of just a simple fish. Here's like, you know, fins and marking. Look, here's and one fin here, and then, you know. So I think I'm going to deliberately draw these three characters. Although that critter, this guy's definitely cute, reaching for something. So let's transfer these three sea characters and see what happens. Okay guys, here is the finished piece that came out of this exercise. As you can see, I decided just to do the single octopus with two little fish. And the tutorial for this will be up in about a week. Today is, I think this is going up on April 23rd, 2020. So look for it in about a week. The time-lapse version will be on YouTube, and the long form, the real-time version, will be on artandsoulschool.net. So please feel free to share your characters at our Facebook group, Art and Soul School. And as always, please subscribe. It is such a help to creators when you hit that red button. Okay guys, thanks for joining us. See you soon.